at the end of every day, I make a note of what I did that day. And today's quite a good list of things that I've been doing. It's 2 years now since I went freelance. And sometimes it's tricky, and sometimes it's hard to get a good balance of workload, and sometimes I'm not sure that I'm going to have enough work to pay the bills. But one of the things that I love about it is the variety. So what did I do today? First thing this morning, I had a meeting with Emily Bache to talk about a proposal we're putting forward for some technical coaching for a major UK organisation. Then I went into town and I had coffee with my old colleague John Nicholas, and we just kind of caught up and shot the breeze. Then I had lunch with Amy Newton, who heads up Manchester Tech Festival. It was great to catch up with Amy. Then I came back here and I had a look at Firebase, which is the technology I'm going to be using to build a new app with a new team of engineers that I'm working with. Then I had a planning meeting with the same team. Then I put together a title and a description for some mini workshops that I'm going to be running for Lead Dev London in June. Those workshops are going to be for technical leaders who want to know how technical they should be. And then the last thing is not really very positive at all. Although it's heartening to see people trying to do something. But I am a member of the Society of Authors because I'm a writer, and there's going to be an extraordinary general meeting next week. And one of the resolutions being discussed is about whether or not the Society of Authors should put out a statement about what's happening in Gaza. And all I'm going to do is read the first part of the first paragraph. At the time of writing, 14th of March 2024, more than 31,000 Palestinians have been killed in the Israeli government's offensive in the occupied Gaza Strip since October 7th, 2023. This includes at least 13,000 children, with more than 73,000 injured and 1.7 million displaced. So this is a resolution. It's going to be voted on. So whether this statement gets put out by the Society of Authors remains to be seen. But 31,000 Palestinians have been killed. And I simply do not understand how anybody could justify 31,000 people being deliberately killed. See you tomorrow.